Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix chat on Roblox. So first is to make sure that you are verified or your age is verified. So to do that, you have to go to your settings and then go to basic information and see if you have verified your age. If not, you need to click this verify my age and then submit the requirement that they need. For example, they need your information, more of your information, personal ID, and of course, they need to verify that you're the one who's using this account or you're verified already. Let's just say you're 13 plus in order for you to get or enable this feature. Once verified, you go to privacy and you should see that microphone here, and all you have to do is to enable that. But as of now, I'm not yet verified, so I can't see that. But if once you're verified, and then you can see that feature, and all you have to do is to enable that. To see more of this information, you can go to help and you can see here how to enable voice chat. And all you have to do is to follow the instruction. Okay, so after that, again, you just go to privacy and enable that feature. Another thing is that if you encounter some problem with your voice chat on Roblox, what you're going to do is you have to make sure that your volume here is off, and you have to make sure also that the microphone feature here has turned on. If you see this microphone above and it's working or moving, that means your voice chat has been fixed. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.